Hello. Are you a consumer goods company that is currently running their business on QuickBooks? Are you looking for a way to integrate to a 3PL provider or maybe other integrations such as eCommerce and EDI? Are you looking for ways to bundle solutions and check out pricing with inventory management and financials, as well as a solution that contains good reporting? SAP Business One might be a good solution for you. I'm currently logged into SAP Business One, and this is our home cockpit screen. We do handle all supply chain movements such as inbound and outbound processing from the sales side as well as the purchasing side. A big thing is to be able to handle sales kits or assemblies, which is what we consider bundles within a solution. That's handled in our bill of materials under production, where here you can set up your overall bill of materials. You can see I have the assemble to stock and sales kitting, and if I were to click on my sales kit for the bundle and click find, it's going to pull up a list of items for sales kits. When I click on the sales kit, you can see that it pulls the items that create the overall parent item, and I can handle my overall production standard cost. If I were to pull that up on a sales order now, I'll add in my customer information. As well as a delivery date, and I'll enter that item information. You can see that it also lists the components that contain in the bundle and will update your pricing for you there. To the right, these are user-defined fields, but this is how we integrate with different integrations within the system and connect and map the integration so that everything automates automatically. You can see I have some EDI as well as you can see some shipping information for 3PLs as well. SAP Business One is a financial GAAP compliant based solution, meaning it tracks all general ledger account movements on any document. So for example, if I were to pull up an invoice that has been applied to multiple documents, such as this one, I can right click and view my journal entry and view all the accounting movements that have happened here. We store all item information in our item master data, and I can pull up the item information here as well and see the inventory management by going into my inventory data, and I can see overall what's in stock, what's ordered, and what's committed, as well as I can run an available to promise report to show me all inventory movement as far as what I can promise customers. I also have the ability to run an audit report. They'll show me all the transactions of how this item has moved throughout the system, and I can see that GAAP compliant audit trail. We handle batch managed lot traceability and serialized products. And if I were to search for serialized product, for example, I can run what's called a serial number transaction report, which is great. And then we have a batch managed transaction report, which is great to see the lot traceability of all products that have been in and out of inventory. Business One is a great reporting system as well with built-in crystal reports, and you can see that all the reporting options for different sections of your business. But for example, if I wanted to run a profit and loss statement, I can click OK with this selection criteria, and it's going to run the nice profit and loss statement report for me, and I have the ability to run it based off my chart of accounts and see the general ledger accounts that it's hit, as well as go into the general ledger account in our chart of accounts. As I mentioned, you can, in the system, create a crystal report template for cosmetic purposes and save that template for any document within the system. And what it will do is gather this information, pull it into a nice clean report or the template that you've created, where you can export to PDF, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, email it, print it, fax it, etc. Navigator has two of its own products as far as warehouse management solution and an integration portal product. If I minimize this, this is what's called our integration portal, iConnect. You can see all the different integrations we have, such as credit card, e-commerce, CRM, our 3PL I'd like to point out here, and our warehouse management solution. Navigator's warehouse management solution is called Luxoto, its own product, where you can handle all inbound movements, outbound movements, internal track production, and have your item management overall to see where inventory is all time. This is a direct integration to SAP Business One, so all information will pull over into the system, and the two products will talk to one another, I should say, through iConnect. Here you can see is all my item information that is the same within SAP Business One, and I have the ability, for example, to pull up an item. I have to see the item information that is pulled from the SAP Business One system, and I can go through my information such as inventory overview, where it can track all information. If I give it 1 second to load here. Sorry, I'm currently running on my home Wi-Fi, which is okay. It's going to pull all information, I should say, from your Business One system and be able to handle your warehouse management capabilities there. This concludes my video. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to Navigator Business Solutions and we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you.